Hello, my name is Clarence Cherry. I'm with Flagship Group with eXp Realty. Today we feature 5351 Blaine Street Northeast. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 4 basements, semi-detached townhouse, brick and structure. Also on an excellent block, we feature the Arts Technology Academy, which is right across the street. We're less than 10 minutes from the Benton Road Metro Station. We also have a basement unit that a person can generate some income by renting the unit. It has a separate entrance. It has off-street parking in the back. It's just a plethora of things around the neighborhood that you can do as an investor if you're looking to invest in a thriving community, or if you're looking for your own property to start out as a first-time home buyer, or you want to downsize. This is a great location and a great property to do it. Let's take a look.